So the video you're about to see is a video of me testing my microphone just for fun to get my studio set up to see if the audio was good and the lighting and the visuals. So I had no intention of actually posting it on YouTube, but I decided maybe I would take the video and edit it and show people what my video skills are at right now. I edited this video on my iPhone on CapCut because I do have a MacBook Pro coming in the mail, but it's running late. They sent me the wrong one, believe it or not. I can do a video about that, but here is my video of me being Mike Rank. Enjoy. Mike Rank. So now what I did is, with the shotgun mic, I have foam kind of above it and along the sides of it like this. So if it's like this, I got a cone on the top, kind of on the sides of it, and a little bit on the bottom. So that might actually help with some of the echo. I'm not sure. Maybe, maybe not. Who knows? But it's worth giving it a shot. So here I am with the cell phone trying to reduce the amount of echo in this room. I think the next thing I'm going to do is put a layer of foam, probably right there. That might help. I don't know what else to do for that. What? Whoa. Yeah. There's a slight reverb in here, but it's a big room, but I don't know. We'll see. Hopefully it doesn't echo too bad, we'll see. But my mama told me when I was young, sit beside me, my only son, and listen closely to what I say. And if you do this, it'll help you some sunny day and be a simple kind of man. Oh, won't you do this for me, son, if you can? Oh, yeah. Yep, and that's why I'm not a singer. Okay, hopefully that sounded amazeballs.